From considerably immature abstract renditions to the remakes of masters like Pablo Picasso, the work of Haris Shakur is representative of a keen and sensitive mind, and testimony to the eye for emotion and detail. But it is not only passion that drives the young artist, it is his desire to enter the Guinness Book of World Records.
It was a right time, I think, to put them all into the Guinness Book of World Records. No one has ever done paintings of this caliber or stature ever in the world, all on different topics. That is the thing that makes me unique.
The attempt was at diversity, hence the use of various techniques and a variety of topics. Some of the paintings were considerably mature, using various hues to represent life and varying shades of light and dark.
It's got many different types, as you can look around the walls here. So it's encouraging. He's told me says he's setting a world record today. I didn't verify that, but he does show a wide range of artistic ability.
While Haris's place in the Guinness Book of World Records is not certain yet, he is surely an artist in the making and an engineer too. Marim Zia, Dawn News, Lahore.